This lower is off a boat that we were winterizing, and he was saying his alarm was active for the low oil. Didn't have any water in the drive, so we're pressure testing it right now, and it's just been sitting there vacillating between 5.6 and 5.7 while we've been doing this whole thing. But I mean, everything looks just really beautiful. I don't think the drive's ever been off this boat. So, doesn't show to have a faulty seal that's causing it to lose drive oil, so it could be the drive oil bottle's leaking, one of the lines to the drive is leaking, but doesn't apparently seem to be from this drive.